I really think that the ability to connect with clients comes more from personal experience and life experience than anything in your law school education. So I think that really just comes from living life, going through hard times yourself, and really being able to put yourself in that client's shoes and treat them the way you'd want to be treated and advocate for them in the same way. I was born and raised in Maine. I came to Washington, D.C. for law school at the George Washington University. When I was in law school, I was very involved in mock trial and a lot of student groups and organizations. I was also a member of the Public Contract Law Journal there, and I actually was published in the journal. I am an avid soccer player. I play on co-ed teams. I'm also, I would say, probably one of the best aunts in the world to my now 9-year-old niece. The reason I got into personal injury law is I actually had a personal experience with it as a child. When I was 8, my father was playing in a basketball game at one of our local schools in a co-ed adult league, and he fell down, he collapsed while on the court. They quickly realized he wasn't breathing, and 911 was called. When the EMS providers showed up, they went to shock him to restart his heart, but the paddles, they're called defibrillators, they didn't work. We initially weren't told about this issue with the paddles. Then some months later, we were told by somebody in our town who worked with the EMS folks that there was this issue where those specific paddles had not been checked before the ambulance went out on its run. It really made an impression on me as a young child, knowing that there was a system that you could get justice in. And so I really took a keen interest in the law after that. And my mother will tell you that after that point, I was singularly focused on becoming a lawyer. So it's always been something I've wanted to do. I was very fortunate to be able to grow up and do exactly that.